because this one, it's missing. It has a blue wire coming from the ICM, but here it's missing.
It's black.
So there's no wire that goes from the distributor that goes and it connects to the RPM. It doesn't have one. So I made to believe that your harness is not a 96.
Okay.
Otherwise,
probably,
it will have one. Because mine is a 96 and it's got one. It's getting a signal from here to the ECU, but you said it was working before and then all of a sudden it shuts down on you.
Yes, kuya. When we try to push start, and it's weird because every time I start the car, the RPM jumps then die like that.
You see it jolt.
Yeah, it's weird.
Well, we'll see what I can do. Anyway, we are here. Well, he is here for something else. This is the reason why he is here, because he's gonna put this on Miley.
This is so nice.
Here's the question: do I really need one?
I think so. Yeah. So it's easier for you to, and it's safer.
Working around on the engine bay.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
It helps me a lot.
So there you go. I guess I need to have one, right?
Yeah.
Well, actually, he gave it to me. Yeah.
Because he's
so
a
I told
good
him,
friend of mine. You know, he did a lot of things on my car. I mean, this is not enough to, you know. I mean, he's a good guy.
Your presence is enough for me. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna have him put that on, and I'll be on the sideline. I told him, he kept bugging me. Let's put it on. Let's put it on. I said, you wait. I'm gonna have you put it on for me. Where'd you get this, by the way? eBay?
eBay special.
Or Amazon?
eBay special.
Oh, okay.
So should I show the?
Yeah, let's open it.
I mean the thing. So they have idea. We're not sponsored.
Yeah, we're not sponsored by it.
Okay, so on this one,
you want the razor blade?
We have tape. So if you can see a hood damper Honda 96 to 2000 model.
I hope it won't
crook your hood.
Yeah, bent the hood or something.
For me,
I didn't see anything on your car, so it must have been all right. Yeah, I kind of like how when you open it, it's like it just goes up automatically.
What I like on this one is so helpful. So I don't need to worry if there's like a strong wind, something like that. As long as the wind is not going from the back.
Okay.
Yes, kaya.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not gonna remove that one because I was thinking about getting the hook, but you can still get it.
Yeah, you can still get it.
So I'm gonna keep this one still.
I keep also on my hood also.
Yeah.
So in case that, you know, there's a strong wind, something like support at the back.
Do we have to read the instructions or no?
This
it should be a self-explanatory.
Yeah, explanatory. Yeah, it's only 2 bolts. That's the only thing that you need.
Let me
so it has this.
Comes with all the hardware.
The hardware.
Okay.
Then instruction. Like that.
Okay.
Okay. So this one should go.
So from skill level from 1 out of 10, you need what?
Maybe kids can install this one. It's like simple.
Let me get a razor blade.
What I know. Oh, so I got it this way.
How did I put that on? Did I just screw this on or something?
Try ko, kuya. Hindi.
Oh no, I think maybe just use the razor blade.
Try natin kaya.
How's your brother doing?
It's good, kuya. He's so busy also because we did What's that? Humiliation. What's that? Something for cockroach?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Fumigation?
Fumigation, yeah,
Okay.
fumigation.
Oh, I forgot. You're supposed to be doing it, not me.
Yes, kuya. I'm the mechanic now.
The title of this episode will be what it feels like to be on the sideline.
Yes, kuya.
I thought we were going to remove the 2 bolts, so I put masking tape on it.
Yeah.
But I saw
But
that
it's
this
only
one
just
only require
Just one bolt.
just one.
So this one, it shows you left and right.
So what is this? The center?
Cause this one, let's see.
What does it say?
It shows like this.
Oh, I see.
Probably.
Okay, I see it. All right.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
Okay. I think this is.
So,
So
this
it
is
goes
the,
like this, kuya.
This is the okay. Oh, it has a left,
Left and right.
left, and right. Okay.
So do you want me to use your hardware, or we can use their hardware? Oh, Oh no. I think
don't
this
have
is
one.
yeah. They don't have
Yeah.
one. So this one comes for this one only.
Okay.
It's okay.
Do you have enough threading on there? Oh,
Uh,
I think it needs to be replaced. Yeah.
but
Let me see if
it
I could
catch
find a.
more longer.
Yeah. I could not find some bolts that has a built-in washers, the original one.
The original.
Since I have that screw
Extra.
and that one is, put them on together on the size. That one is a little bit longer, and I will take up the space of that bracket. Plus, well, that one came off from here, but that screw will be replaced by one of these
Hardware.
by one of these studs
Hardware,
right
yeah.
there. Okay, so win. All right, we'll just use that one then. Plus, it's much more styling.
Looks better.
Yeah,
This
for
way.
security purposes. Yeah, it's perfect. I guess you can go ahead and remove the.
The tape, kaya.
We don't need that anymore.
And straight it. Straight naman ako.
Yeah.
So, something like that.
Yep. That's it.
Yeah. Then this
Yeah.
one is like there's no left and right.
Okay.
The only thing you need to do is like this.
Does it matter where you put the
The
shiny part?
so it's like this.
I think I kind of like it. Well,
I need to lower down the others. Yeah. So like that. So it has a lock, kuya.
okay.
Then let's see.
Just a snap, huh?
Yeah, just snap. Yeah.
Wow.
Screw it.
Yeah, what an
Let's
upgrade.
try. Let's try. Woo. Let me see. Close.
All right. Can you check? I think there's a nut.
That's.
Let's probably have a nut in there somewhere. Yeah.
Oh, this one. Okay.
I know I left something in there.
Let's
But
see.
man, yeah. Why not? What an upgrade.
Okay, let me open.
Man. You know,
I need to tighten the bolts, kuya.
I'm gonna give you thanks, only half of it.
We just give a little tight, but it's not too tight.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't wanna strip the.
All right.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Okay.
So it adjusts a little bit. Doesn't rub. Right, yeah?
Yeah.
Doesn't rub.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
Or you want me to put it down a little bit, or what do
Well,
you think?
I don't know.
You like it the way it is?
I think that's perfect.
That's perfect, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna tighten the...
Yes, that's where it should be, right?
Ito. Nag-adjust na siya eh.
Okay.
It's like...
All right. Okay. Now we're gonna put the other one, which is the same as this one. So.
Teka lang, kuya.
Yeah. Will be the same thing.
Baliktad ata.
Huh?
Ito yata eh.
Yeah, I think it should be. It's better to have it on just like that one.
Below na, kuya.
Yeah, I think so.
Alisin natin.
Yeah. So what he's gonna do is gonna put it backwards, the other way around. I think you have to remove the clip. This one. You have to remove that clip.
Like that, ka. Okay.
I got the hook.
Got it, ka. That's what to. Mag-dentist para tayo na to. Yun, okay. Let's try this way. Let's turn it this. Yeah. Yun.
That's pretty quick though. Huh?
Okay.
All right.
Good.
That's pretty
may
cool.
isa pa support. Yeah. It locks this up. Boom. And you can twist it like that. So it's not kind of touch.
It doesn't really take that long to put it on, huh?
5 minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But wow, man, looks good.
So just adjust or see, kuya.
I think we'll leave it loose
Loose na, kuya.
or pre-tight, and then we'll close it, and then that will align itself.
Let's see, kuya. Oops.
See?
Yeah,
Yeah, it align itself.
check the cup.
Okay.
Ooh. Try to close, kuya.
Yeah.
I'll try to close it. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, not bad. Yeah.
So the gap, yeah.
It doesn't raise the hood or
Yeah, it
anything
doesn't
like that.
raise, yeah. It looks like stock.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Yes, kuya, no problem.
Yeah.
Better.
Right on. It's a small little things.
Yes, kuya. It helps a
That
lot.
counts.
Also, when
Yeah.
you're doing some, see, just
Look at that.
like that.
Look at that crack.
So technique, don't tie it. So the technique is you don't need to tight when you first install it, because it will adjust.
Don't tighten this
yeah,
one?
this one. Because this one is stay. It's okay to tighten this one, but this one just loose. Keep it loose.
It will align itself.
Then when you try to close it first, then put it back to open
Okay,
position. Then tie it.
Then we'll secure it.
Yes, okay.
We'll give it a security.
Secure tight.
Yeah.
All
right.
I think that's it.
I have to change the bolt. This one is a little bit longer, and
This is it.
it compensates for the thickness of that flange. So man, it's
That
perfect.
looks good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah. Then you can keep this one. For me, here,
I'm
advice
keeping
is-
this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll
It
come
helps.
handy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get one of those. You can still get it on eBay or Amazon.
Or
A
junkyard.
different color though. Huh?
Junkyard.
No, it's always broken.
It's already
Yeah.
ripped, huh?
Yeah, you cannot remove it without breaking it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it's either maybe I'll make one or something made out of
I
aluminum.
see. Mm.
Yeah, but other than that, it's perfect.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah, look at that. It's good. I never thought about upgrading this one.
Oh.
Yeah. Well,
Mine
you
is
beat
like-
me to it. When I saw yours, I said, man, that looks good.
Mine's
But,
like for 3 years, kaya.
yeah.
No problem.
Okay. Well, thanks a lot,
That's kaya,
man.
no problem, kaya.
Yeah, thank you for giving me a treat, man. I like it. Look at this. Look at that. There you go. Some little minor details, and it adds up.
It doesn't rub. This one doesn't rub.
Yeah.
It's perfect fit.
Yeah, I was afraid to put one of these because I've seen some cars where the hood is popping up or something.
Oh, it's not.
It was bulging.
Yeah.
But this one, it's just perfect.
Perfect.
It doesn't have any, no effect on it whatsoever.
Yeah. Mine doesn't have the like lip.
All right. There you go, guys. A little minor upgrade, and it really counts. Look at this. Huh? That is not bad. Not bad at all. And no effect whatsoever on the alignment of the hood, as you can see earlier. And I like it. Again, thank you.
No problem, kuya.
I'll see you guys on the next. All right? Bye.
Ayos.